In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Claude AI Quick Setup Guide. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive linked so Claude can securely reference your files when you ask it to. Start by opening a browser and heading to claude.ai/new. If you're not already signed in, log into your Claude account. This is the home base where you start new chats, and it's where you'll set up your integrations. Next, look for the Settings option in the Claude interface. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically find it in the sidebar or under your profile menu. Click Settings to open the configuration panel. This is where Claude lets you manage preferences, data controls, and app connections. Inside Settings, open the Connectors section. Connectors are the official integrations that let Claude work with external services like cloud storage, calendars, and more. This is the dedicated place to link Google Drive, manage permissions, and disconnect later if needed. Now choose Browse Connectors. This opens the catalog of available integrations. Think of it as a safe, guided marketplace where you can add services without leaving Claude. The layout is straightforward, so you won't need to hunt around. Use the search bar to type Google Drive. When you see the Google Drive tile, click Connect. A new window will prompt you to sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Pick the Google account that holds the files you want Claude to access. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're selecting the correct one to avoid confusion later. You'll be asked to grant permissions so Claude can find and read your Drive content as needed. Review the permissions, then confirm to continue. If your organization manages your Google Workspace, you may need admin approval. Follow any on-screen instructions if that appears. Two-factor authentication may also pop up. Complete it to proceed. Once the connection is successful, you'll be returned to the Connectors page where Google Drive will appear as connected. From here, you can disconnect or switch accounts at any time using the same panel. Keep in mind that Claude only works with the files your Google account can access, and its access is limited to the permissions you just approved. That's the full setup. You've opened Claude, gone into Settings, navigated to Connectors, browsed the catalog, and linked Google Drive. If you ever want to review or revoke access, come back to the Connectors section. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow now that Claude can reference your Drive files directly when you need it.